and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm guilty. I went back to Target. I woke up this morning, had to go to work, and then I checked online to see if the stores that are in my area hit 90% off. One of them at like 5 o'clock did, the other one did not. Went to work, and then I checked back again, and they both said they were 90% off. So I'm like, I am going to back. Sorry, I ran up and down the stairs twice. But I said I'm going to go back and just see what they have, because every store is different. Like, one store was completely trashed. Stuff was all over the place. And usually it's not. And then another store was all, nicely, organized, easy to shop, easy to grab. But I'm going to show you guys another haul that I did. I asked on Instagram, or I asked on Deals by DesignerJen if you guys wanted to see another haul, and you said yes. So I wanted to go back and look for clothing is the main thing I wanted to find, and the goodie things that I can hand out for Halloween every single year. I like to do that because if you guys watch my haul, I really like to give a lot to the kids, and so this is what I'm doing. And then if I have a lot for next year, I'll just give the next one. So the first thing I actually kind of wanted was this, what is this? An inflatable butterfly. It says it's battery operated fan. I think that's kind of cool. So I thought this is kind of cool for when Charlotte wants to be a butterfly, or I can be a butterfly. This was originally $30 and I got it for $3. I did find this on Brickseek, and this is something that I wanted, but if I did not get it, not a big deal. But I thought this is kind of cool. I love butterflies, and I thought Charlotte would be cute to be a little butterfly, so she can wear this whenever she wants to dress up. And then I found this, which I thought was kind of cool. It's like a little butterfly mask, and I love butterflies, so I thought I could wear this or something. But this was originally $15, and so when you click on it, I don't know if you guys can kind of see it. It makes noise, but it does light up. So I thought for $1, this was $15. I'm like, for $1.50 it'd be kind of cool, to wear a little mask. Miss Charlotte's got the little wire, so I got that, and I got a box to put all this stuff in. Found this little pumpkin carving. It's called a power saw. It's to carve pumpkins. I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try this. This was $7. I got it for 70 cents. So when we carve pumpkins, I thought this might work. If it doesn't, it's not a big deal. I mean, I paid 70 cents for it, so I thought this might help out when we do carve pumpkins. So, wanted to give that a try. I ended up, looking at a lot of the Dollar Spot. Now, my store had a bunch of Dollar Spot stuff on there. Price checked everything. Everything was normal price, and some of it was half off. And I'm like, nope, I don't want to get any of the Dollar Spot items. And I think I got one, but Ben picked that out. So, and I'll get to that when I get to it. But I did find some teeth. Now, there's 6 vampire fangs in here. These were $1. I love giving away, vampire fangs. Like, these are cheap. Kids love them, and I think these ones glow in the dark, I think. I'm not sure. But I ended up just grabbing a bunch of stuff. I just grabbed a bunch of stuff and threw it in the bags, or in the cart. Now, these are treat bags. These are 12 count. These were $1, so I got these for 10 cents a piece. I thought these are kind of cool. I like it how they're a little bit bigger bags. I usually get them, and you guys can make fun of me how I say bags. I usually get them at Walgreens, but the Walgreens doesn't have very much to choose from, so I'm like, you know what, I'm going to get these because I can always use them, from years and years. So I got one with smiley face, or pumpkin faces on it. One with, the moon. I got one with, skull faces on it. Miss Charlotte's like, Mom, I want that. I want that. So I just grabbed a whole bunch of them. I didn't even count. I think I got one of each one. So, got those. Those were all 10 cents a piece. My store, the ones, I went to 2 stores, because the 2 stores I have are, literally 5 minutes from each other. But they only had 1 pack of these. Now, I got these last year. So, this is a 24 pack of fangs. I got these for, 30 cents. So I thought that was a good deal, and I really wanted to get more, but that's all they had. I decided to get more fingers. Now, they did have the little bags of them, and I didn't know this, but they had the bigger bags, and it came out to be the same price either way. But there is 24 in here of the fake fingers. I got these for 30 cents. So I just grabbed a bunch of them. And then they only had one thing of bubbles. One of you guys mentioned about the bubbles, and I really liked getting the bubbles, and these are kind of cool. So this was $1 for 8 of them, so I got these for 10 cents. And then this is what Ben picked from the dollar spot. It's supposed to grow a little bit bigger, so if he wants to play with that, he can go play with that. And then I got more fingers. I just grabbed a ton of fingers. These are probably going to last me at least 2 to 3 years, which I am totally fine with. So if I can get them, you know, for that price, I'm going to definitely go ahead and get them for that price. More fingers. And then Ben saw these glasses. He's like, Mom, can I get these glasses? These are novelty eyewear. These were $1. It's a 2-pack. I thought, sure, if you want to wear those, you can wear those. So that is one bag that I got. I do want to share with you guys, I did get another costume. I got the lollipop. I thought this was kind of cool. I mean, I just love these costumes because we can wear them. I mean, if our whole family wants to dress up as food, we can wear them. So this was originally $25, and we got it for $2.50. The only thing I kind of wanted was the popcorn, which they did not have out of any of the stores. But I thought, you know what, for a lollipop, we're going to go ahead and get that. And then I went to another store. Now this is all mix and match, but my store had a ton of bubbles. They had an 8-pack of bubbles, and then they had a 24-pack of bubbles. So either 10 cents or 30 cents. So I thought, I'm going to totally just grab whatever. I probably...
There's a tune here.
Yeah. I probably have way too much bubbles, but, you know, I got that. Sorry, Ben was trying to take my stuff away. But I ended up finding a store. The second store I went to had a ton of teeth, and I grabbed every single 24-pack that they had because I just wanted to get these because these are so easy to use for the kids. So I have like probably a whole bag of them. Again, tons of bubbles. I probably have bubbles for this year and next year. So more bubbles. Benjamin's looking at you with his glasses, but just went bubble crazy for like, you know, 10 cents. We're gonna go ahead and grab bubbles because that is just awesome.
There are glasses.
Okay, another glasses. Okay.
Little eye.
Yeah. Okay, so then what happened is I went over in the kids section because you never know what you're going to find. You know, with those, I got more bubbles. But with those dresses that I got, I found some shirts that I got Ben yesterday. Well, I found another thing of shirts. And then I'm like, you know what? I'm going to get it. It's 89 cents. I can't go wrong with just t-shirts. He can sleep in these. So I ended up getting some like Minecraft, and it was like a pumpkin face. These were not marked. These were just regular in the regular rack. I scanned it, said it was 89 cents. I'm like, I'm going to go ahead and get that because for 89 cents, can't go wrong. I mean, he can wear those as a night shirt. Found Miss Charlotte a little cute little top. She can wear this next year. This was $8.99, so I got it for 89 cents, and it'll go good with those little leggings that I got her. Got another t-shirt for her to wear. Now, this is kind of for her when she gets older. But it was stitched with one of those sequins pumpkins. I thought this was adorable. So she can wear that when she gets a little bit older. This was $9.99, so I got it for 99 cents. I thought, that's cool. The sequins thing probably will not be as big, you know, when she's that age. But you know what? I'm totally okay with that. This whole bag is full of bubbles. So I got lots and lots of bubbles. Lots of bubbles. That's just an alarm. It's okay. And then my store, more fingers. And then my store one of the stores only had one of the rings. So I just got one of the rings. They only had just this one. There's 24 of that one. I searched and I searched. And then they also had the little notebooks. This is the only one I could find. And there's 6 of them in here for $1. So I thought that was kind of good to get. And then I found another shirt for Miss Charlotte. And this one says Ghouls Rule. This is something she can wear when she's just a little bit older, but this was $6.99 and I got that for 69 cents. And then this whole bag is nothing but the teeth. All teeth is what I got. So that is everything that I got. My total came to $19.26 for everything. I ended up getting 57 items. So, I mean, I did spend a lot for Halloween. I mean, if you guys think about it, I spent 50 bucks between all 3 stores. But I'm very happy with what I got. I mean, I got stuff for Halloween for the next 2 years. I got costumes up for like the next 10 years. And I got clothes for like literally the next 5 years. So I'm pretty excited with what I got. Miss Charlotte's like, Mom, I'm going to have that bag. Thanks. But other than that, that is everything I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a
Target video, a super Target video.
Give this video a
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. And we will see you guys all later.
Later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.